Good morning! Hi, hello, how are you? There's my boyfriend in the background. He doesn't want to be filmed, so we're gonna pretend he's not there. But there's a skid pad, so I'm sorry if it's too loud, but we are at HPA in Houston Police Academy, self-explanatory. We're gonna pull the car off the trailer because we're really late, so be right back.
What happened? We left the chain on.
He left the chain on.
Who loaded the car?
You were unloading stuff. It's his fault.
Not even close. That's a proper amount of time on the skid pad.
Well, my warm-up lap felt really good. I didn't even like check my tire pressure or anything. I just went out to see how the car was gonna feel, and it felt really good. So I think I'm gonna go take a lap out on the big track, and I got my GoPro, so hopefully we'll get good footage of that. And we went to go eat at Schlotzsky's, so we got some lunch already and a little bit of an energy drink. So ready to go. I didn't even check my tire pressure. I don't even know the track layout, so.
Go do a couple laps just driving.
Yeah. So I don't know, am I supposed to be in second or third? Probably third.
We'll do it in second first. Get comfortable. Feels fast. It feels really fast.
Second was really not it, but I'm gonna try it again. Yeah, so this one's already having a lot less tread. Okay. Just not like a lot, but like you can just tell.
We can swap them side to side after a few more laps.
Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Did you change the pressure?
I let out some on each side, but I let a little bit more out on this side.
So fucking smart. Good on there without the e-brake.
I know.
You could have kept
going
a little more outside.
I panic grabbed.
Yeah.
I always do that. Stop it. So after the last couple laps feeling really not good and like really wonky, the camber bolts were loose. But it just got aligned, so it's something I probably should have double checked that was tight before I did a bunch of laps, you know. So anyways, I'm glad we caught it before it changed the alignment or anything like that. Flip-flopped the tires because of the, oh my goodness, see things. Flipped the tires just because the sweep around the track is eating up that driver's side tire way faster than the other side. And at any point, that tire that was on the driver's side is about to blow up just because it definitely is corded on the side. I was like really low on pressure. So, you know, we'll see what happens. We'll see how many laps we can get out of this. I'm still getting used to the steering stuff.
Yeah, I mean, you changed a lot on the car.
Oh yeah, like, and you definitely
gotta take
feel
a
it.
minute. But that felt really good from the passenger seat.
Yeah, I still need to get wider. Like I keep, like I go, like I enter kind of wide and then I like suck up.
It's because you don't have the speed because you're in second.
Yeah. I'm like wondering if I should just like enter later. Because he said that I keep like pulling out of my angle in the sweeper, and I know what he's talking about because I will initiate and enter in the sweeper and I, like almost like full lock, and then I'm just not used to being at full lock because I'm not used to having the PBM angle kit on here yet. So you know, it's definitely something just to get used to. But might go try it in third. I keep pulling out of angle, thinking that like I just don't have enough power to get through the sweeper because I don't. Cause I'm like top of second, so might try third. That's a little scary, but it's not the first time that I've ever entered in third, so might just try it and then downshift after the like Manji section. So fingers crossed this goes well. We'll see. I don't know, should I try it in third or? I feel like I don't have...
Get comfortable, work your way up to it, right?
I was gonna say, I just feel like I don't have enough tire for third, you know?
Well, the more gripped up you are, the harder it's gonna be, so this might be the time to
try it?
Try it, but it's gonna be a little less predictable.
Oh, Christ! Okay! I'm a little nervous. When am I not nervous though, you know? Alright, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do it. Right now, but I wanted to, oh my god, just quick shout out to Stage Wheels. Look at how friggin' pretty these are. These are brand new wheels. They're slightly dirty just because they were in the bed of my truck, but oh my God, the freshies. The freshies. Thanks, Stage Wheels. Y'all go hit them up if you want some sick wheels. But here's the old Kenda. Look at how beautiful. Look at that beautiful even tread wear. Other than my cords over here, just from having them low tire pressure, it's kind of just rubbing on the sides, but beautiful. These did fantastic. Shout out Kenda. These are great. I act like this is like my first time driving on Kendas, but it ain't. Ooh. Yeah, these were done. I really was sad because they have a lot of tread left like on this side, but it just, I mean, they're scrubs. I'm not gonna be like upset about it, you know? And of course, Scrub Queen, I am gonna be driving on these Kenda scrubs. They have probably about half life left. They're still pretty good. And OG Kenda here versus KR20A Kenda OG KR20. So I'm pretty excited to put these on. Alright, that's it. We're double checking the arms.
Nothing's loose.
Oh good, nothing's loose this time. Thanks, babe. So third gear definitely feels so much easier for this track because I don't have to be like pinged on red line going through the sweeper. I can kind of just like float around on throttle and then downshift after the Manji. So that last one was really good. Feels starting to feel comfortable now. Starting to like get used to the car and get used to the angle and everything. I think it's about 5:15 or so. Track is shut down, which is a little sad because it's just now getting to be golden hour and that would have made for some beautiful photos. But I mean, I don't care. I got a ton of seat time today, so 100% happy with how the day went, how the car performed. I wish I would have gotten, you know, used to the car a little quicker because I did come to the event wanting to tandem, but I knew that there was a possibility I wouldn't, just because new car, well, not really new car, but you know, full new suspension, kind of knew everything, gotta learn the driving style and just get used to it and get comfortable before we hop in, you know, in any tandems with anyone. So Aside from that, you know, couldn't be happier with how today went and, you know, how Peach performed. Car never got hot, got tons of laps considering I was on super dead Kenda scrubs. So gonna get loaded up to maybe go get some food, 'cause I'm hungry. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have not done a, you know, vlog or drift video in quite some time, so I'm definitely super happy to be back and for y'all to see the progress on the car. And also shout out to Randall for putting on a fantastic event, IAS Performance on Instagram, I think on Facebook too. Go ahead and give them a follow. Come out to an event. You do have to apply to come to the event, but 100% recommend coming to this event. I think Randall did a fantastic job setting up this whole event and just getting in some good drivers and having a great skid pad for, you know, the newcomers and beginners. So definitely get on out here if you want to come to a great event, or if you're just starting out, that's a good one to come to as well. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.